In this tutorial, we'll cover creating a new sales or vendor contract. We're currently looking at the dashboards or My Board screen right now after logging in. Let's navigate to My Contracts. My Contracts is where your entire contract universe is located. You'll be coming here to create, edit, update, and view your contracts. So let's go ahead and create a new one. Hover over the Create New button and choose Contract. Choose the entity, in this case it will be your company name. Select the appropriate type. For example, is this going to be a sales or client contract or vendor contract? You can also choose internal if this contract is, for example, between departments. We'll choose vendor for our example here. Enter in the company name. Enter into the description. Enter in the effective date. The renewal date. I'm going to put this a year in advance. The review date. The system will automatically send you an email on the date entered here to remind you to review the contract. This allows you to review any information before it says auto renews. I'm going to say January 9th. Then we can enter in the renewal type, say automatic. Contract term, 1 year. Total contract amount, the per payment amount, the frequency at which this is going to be billed at, payment method, we even have a space for the termination clause. Here you can enter in any information that's relevant to termination of this contract, so it's easily identifiable. We also have a space for performance. So sometimes a vendor may not perform 100% to your expectations. You can score this here and detail the issues below. Put high, and we'll say no issues. There's a space for notes, company address, as well as the contact information. You can also designate a status. So let's say it's still being drafted. I can set it as draft. Active will designate that the contract has been executed. I'll set it as active. Finally, the attachments area. You can add any attachments, such as an executed contract, or let's say the draft of a contract. Finally, we'll click Save and Exit. The document has been saved. And that's it. We've just created a new contract in MyMoBiz. I'm going to be reminded to review this contract on the review date so that I can make a decision on whether I'd like to renew it or not.